Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. In the last video, we explored the three core components of the Power BI. Today, we are going to hands-on and we'll install the Power BI desktop and take our first look inside the tool. So let's dive in. So first we'll see how to download and install. First, launch an interface store, connect it to the sample data and creating a sample visuals, then wrap up and the next video. Alright, so first of all what we have to do is just search the download Power BI desktop and go to the powerbi.microsoft.com. Click on the download button and choose the Microsoft Store or direct installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts. It's a quick setup, just a few clicks and we are ready to go. Now I'll drive you through how to do it actually. Alright, so quickly let's go to the Microsoft Store. So here what we can do is Power BI desktop. Hit enter. First, Power BI desktop. User have to install it. I have already installed it. That's why it is saying installed. Our second option we have is Google. So let's type here Power BI desktop. Click on the first link, Power BI desktop. Just click on it. Once you click on it, like this, and it will again ask you open the Microsoft Store. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to there like this. See, so that's very simple. Alright, so let's see what's next. So our first launch and interface. Alright, so hold on, we are taking you to the first welcome screen. Alright, so here how it looks like the Power BI. Alright, so here's the first look of the Power BI, how it will look like. Understand? So basically this is the canvas area. Alright, and when you see on here on the top of it, these are the ribbons, and here these are the visuals and the data. Alright, now let's get into the other thing. So first thing is that we have to click on the get data. So can you spot the get data? So here it is, the first option. Let's click on it and we have to install the first sample data through it. So we just find the Excel workbook. Alright, click on the Excel. Now I am uploading the Excel sample sales data. So here's the Excel file. I just click on it and open it, and now it's ready. So what we have to do is we have to select the table. So first table is like this. Here's the sheet number 1. If there we have multiple sheets, we can also select the multiple sheets. And now this is the preview of our data, what we have in the sheet. If we do not want to transform, we just want to load that sheet, and we have to just click on the load right here. Alright, yes, here we have. So can you see the data table right here? Just click on the drop down and you will see the columns, whatever the columns we have in the sheet. Alright, now can you see this area, these visualizations? So these are actually the visuals, the charts what we have. So let's see clustered column chart. So I'll click on it. See, here I have a new sheet. Alright, now what I have to do is I just have to drop the region in the x-axis and sales in the y-axis, and see, boom, the first chart we have created. That's very simple. What else we can do? We can also change the color of it, we can change the background of it, we can even change the title of it. So how we can change that? Alright, so this is the build visuals and this is the format of visuals. So just click on it. Here is the visual journal. When you click on the journal, there's the title. So when you click on the drop down, You have seen the sum of the sales. You can update it accordingly. You can basically change a lot of things. All right, click back on the visuals. Now you can also change a lot of things from the x-axis, whatever it is on the x-axis, and also similarly on the y-axis, everything. You can add the zoom slider by click on it, and the data labels. See, everything has on your fingertip only. Clear? So this is basically the first chart that we have created. That's very simple. All right, let's see what we have next. So we have done the download and installation. How do we do that? All right, we have launch and tour of the first interface. After that, we have also connecting to the sample data. After that, we have already created the simple visual using the sales and reason, and we have done that in a bar chart. We can also change the color as I told. And now that is the first look of the Power BI desktop, and in the next video we will connect the different data source like web data that is most important for the live dashboarding, right? So thank you so much for listening me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like something, if you do not like something, and if you want me to connect it to the different data sources accordingly, just comment it. I'll walk you through. All right, last but not the least, empathy isn't just in our name, it's in every insight we deliver. Thank you so much. Cut.